How do you change out a heating element in a glass top stove? Stay tuned and you'll find out. Hey guys, thanks for stopping by today. Today's video is going to be how to change out a heating element in your glass top stove. I've never done one before. First thing we'll do, I'm going to pull out the stove, unplug it, safety first. So first we're going to take the screws out. I've already unplugged the stove. There's two on mine. I don't know if yours has a Phillips head or not, but mine has a hex head. Screws on these. And then the lid should come up off of the other platform here. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice and easy. Now I need to prop this up. I did grab a piece of wood. I think this will be too tall to stick in here. Maybe not. Huh? I think that might work. The one we're replacing today is our large 12-inch dual element. Come out of this little hole here. Yeah. Okay. Visibly, I don't see any issues on here. I was hoping to see the small coils, maybe a crack or a burn. Oh, sure enough. Let me get this off and I'll take it over there. There it is. Well, maybe. There's a crack in the element there. Okay. So this should be able to slide over far enough for me to put the new one in. Let's see. Do the 14. Should line up. Yeah?
Do you need help?
Oh, I'm good, buddy. Thank you. Yeah, it's insulation.
Where's the old one? Is that it?
Yeah. See this little spot right there?
Mm-hmm.
That's where it was broken. So this wasn't making a connection, so these little coils here couldn't turn on. So I got a new one in here. And I'm going to plug it all up. Do you need anything?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Let me just do this.
Alright, buddy. So now I'm going to take the connections one at a time here, remove them off the old element, and put them onto the new one. So I'll start with the one up top. That middle connector gave me little fits, so I had to adjust it a little. I think we're good now. Let me put this one on. What I'll probably do plug it in and test it out here before I move everything back. Okay, so everything is good except my hot cooktop light is on right now. So I'm going to research that real quick and see if I can't figure that out. So I'm putting the other one back, the old one that does not work, for the simple fact that this new one, the temperature switch inside, which gets above 100, 150, which is normally open, then closes, and then the heat indicator light comes on. and there should not be continuity between point A and B on that switch. So even if you're checking resistance, it should not make a connection. So no connection, that's the old one. The new one, not on. I don't know if you can hear that, the tone. If I can hold it on there. So it is making continuity going through there, so that switch is closed when it should be normally open until the heat temperature gets above a certain degree. But because it's normally closed, the surface light is on. So yes, this element could work, but my surface light would always be on. So I'm going to replace this and get the correct one. Well, I received the new element in the mail, tested the continuity for the hot surface light, and everything worked correctly. I replaced the element just like in the video, but I learned in the process. Hopefully this will help you as well if you have a glass top stove and being able to replace the elements. I did put it in, did turn it on. Large element and small element are both working correctly, and I was able to repair our stove. It was right at $100 for the element on Amazon. However, we don't need a brand new stove, and we are able to replace the element and continue on. So if you have any questions, thoughts, comments, please leave them below. Check out our affiliate links for things that I recommend or use. And as always, thanks for stopping by, and God bless.